Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix your Windows license will expire soon in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, type here CMD, right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, type this command line SLMGR space minus sign REARM, then press enter. Now close and restart your system. After restart, search services, open services. Now in this list you have to find out Windows License Manager service. Double click on it. Startup tab, select disabled. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now right click on it and click on stop. Now close it and restart again. So this way guys, you can fix and resolve your Windows license will expire soon in Windows 11 PC or laptop. And guys, also this method will work in Windows 10. So thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. And please comment this method work for you or not.